Hi, I'm back for week 17. I'm actually kind of 17 and a half weeks. But I've been very tired this past week. I'm very tired right now. I feel like I look like junk right now. So you'll have to excuse me. I really don't know why, because I had a lot of energy at the beginning of the second trimester. Now I feel like I've just hit this wall that I'm tired. I have no energy. I'm having a hard time sleeping at night still, even with this thing. I mean, it's helped, but it's still, my stomach, since my stomach is growing and growing, it's just getting uncomfortable, like, to lay on my side. I constantly find myself laying on my back now. So that's just kind of frustrating. I wake up all the time, have to wake up all the time to go to the bathroom, like twice in 1 hour last night. I think I'm setting a record. But I think that's because the baby is sitting so low. The baby is, I think, laying like right on my bladder. We got the Hi Baby fetal Doppler in the mail. If you are considering buying that, buy it. It is worth the money. It is worth the $100 that you will spend on it. Trust me. So we, the heartbeat has been averaging at 150, although the last couple of days we've noticed it's been in the 140s. So it's just fun to hear it every night. That's part of our nightly routine. We'll let you guys see it again at the end of this video. But back to the pregnancy symptoms and stuff. I have had terrible leg cramps this past week. Probably about 3 or 4 nights I've waken, that's not a word. I woke up in the middle of the night and I had to grab my calf. It's just like a natural reaction. You have to grab it and squeeze it. It hurts so bad. And so then my leg will hurt like the whole next day after it, because I've had the leg cramps in the middle of the night. So everybody that I've talked to has said, oh, it's a potassium. You're not getting enough potassium in your body. So you need to eat bananas and drink a lot of water. At the beginning of my pregnancy, I ate a banana every day, like religiously, every day. And then something snapped in the second trimester, and now they disgust me. They absolutely disgust me. I ride to work with my mom in the mornings, and I tried to eat one earlier this week, and I gagged the whole time eating it. I don't know what it is. I just can't do it anymore. So I ended up calling my doctor to just tell the nurse what was going on with my leg cramps. So she talked to the doctor and called me back, and he thinks it's a calcium deficiency. I told him at the beginning of the pregnancy I do not like milk. I cannot stand the taste of any kind of milk. I'll drink chocolate milk. I'll take that back. But I've tried to stay away from the chocolate milk because I know the extra calories, pack on the pounds, yada yada. But he thinks it's a calcium deficiency. He told me I need to be taking Tums every day, which I have been taking Tums, but not religiously every day. But he says I need to be taking Tums every day, and he told me to eat ice cream and drink milkshakes, which I guess when a doctor tells you that, it can't be all that bad. But well, it kind of is. When you're like me and you don't really like sweets, that's kind of hard to do still. So anyway, I've been trying to do better about getting more calcium in my body, and I've been trying to eat bananas more, and I've noticed that I haven't had leg cramps the past 2 nights. So food is just a really iffy thing with me right now. I feel like the only things that taste good to me is junk food. Fast food, potato chips, all the things that I should not be eating. The baby needs nutrients, and I know the baby does, but that stuff doesn't taste good to me right now. It's like vegetables just have no appeal to me. So I cried about food this morning for like hours at work. People probably thought I was ridiculously insane. I just sat and cried because I didn't know what to eat. I was hungry. I didn't know what I was going to eat for lunch. So it's been a rough day. I'm tired, and I've been emotional all day. The past 2 days have been really emotional. I've wanted to cry, or I've cried all day long, I felt like. So it's not fun. But, oh, we bought, I ordered 2 things on Amazon this week for the baby. We haven't been buying that much because we don't know what we're going to have, and why buy all this stuff when you can just wait till you know what you're going to have. I saw on Mina's video the book, Oh Baby, the Places You'll Go, that you read to the baby while you're pregnant. And my husband and I are both in the field of education, so we both believe in reading to the baby before it's born, so I thought that book was really cool, so I ordered that on Amazon. And my husband picked out a DVD for the baby. It's along the lines of Baby Einstein, except for it's Baby Red Sox. That's his team. And it shows all the colors and shapes and introduces the baby to the mascot, the Red Sox players, to baseball. So it'll be cute. So we should get that in sometime next week. Okay, so that's it for now. Oh, and I also have gained 8 pounds since the beginning of the pregnancy, which I guess isn't too bad considering I'm almost 18 weeks, but it's just hard to see those numbers going up on the scale. But yeah, 8 pounds. I'm starting to feel it. So I'm pretty sure from this point on it'll only pick up. I hope my doctor doesn't say anything to me about it next week. We go a week from today for our big ultrasound, so I will update after that to let everybody know what we're having. Boy or girl, we're very excited. I've heard to drink caffeine before I go, and then somebody today told me to drink a lot of water because it gives a clear ultrasound picture. So I guess maybe I'll do both and just have to pee really bad when it's all over. So, but that's it for the update. I'm going to let you hear the baby's heartbeat, and I'll show you my stomach. Here's my belly at 17.5 weeks. There's the front. And a side view. The baby's like right there. It's so low. And the other side. I think I'm going to lose my balance just standing here. Alright.
So that's the baby's heartbeat at, oh, was that another kick? It's the baby's heartbeat at 17.5 weeks. I'm talking, so the baby's going away. The baby always does this when I talk. So anyway, we'll be back next week to tell you what the baby is for our 18-week update. Bye.